Before you clean your rocks, it's crucial to remove all the dry soil from the rocks. We are using our Kittery vacuum. That vacuum has a strong power of suction, and we do 4 passes. North to south, then we change south to north, then west to east, and then east to west. 4 passes of removing dry soil in order to clean really good the rocks. After we vacuum properly, then we put our cleaning agent, especially for rocks. Then we use a CRB, a scrubber, rinsing with our truck mount, and drying with air blowers. Por el otro lado también. anyhousecleaning.com, cleaning the rocks and upholstery. The next job is to do that sofas. You can call us at 407-572-4118, commercial equipment, truck mount system. Visit our webpage anyhousecleaning.com, 407-572-4118. Thank you.